Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos filling updated. Start by prepping proteins, vegetables, and seasonings so cooking flows smoothly. Brown your protein in a hot skillet for a crisp exterior and juicy interior. Season in layers and taste as you go to balance salt, acid, and heat. Heat tortillas just before serving to keep them pliable. Finish with fresh toppings to add texture and brightness to every bite. Use bold spices, but balance them with acid and fat for harmony. Toast whole spices briefly before grinding to deepen aroma and add complexity. Add salt gradually and taste at multiple points so the filling never tastes flat. A splash of lime or vinegar near the end wakes flavors without overpowering. Top with cilantro or green onion for a fresh finish that contrasts rich, savory elements and keeps each bite lively. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free kitchen music, timers, and recipe reading while you cook, which makes multitasking easier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Think beyond protein. Texture makes tacos memorable. Add crunchy elements like radish, diced onion, or toasted pepitas for contrast. Quick pickles give bright acidity that slices through richness and refreshes the palate. A creamy drizzle like crema or yogurt calms spice and adds mouthfeel, while chopped herbs bring freshness. Layer toppings intentionally so each bite contains multiple textures and flavors, creating a satisfying and well-balanced taco experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.